if you're having problems with your LG dishwasher and you're getting the AE code appearing on your dishwasher, well, there are a few things that you may want to do here. So first things first is you want to start by switching the dishwasher off and cutting the actual power. So this actually prevents the safety system from cycling repeatedly while you troubleshoot. So next thing that you want to do is you want to check for water on the floor or around the dishwasher. Now look around the front and sides of the dishwasher for any visible water. Even a small puddle can indicate where the leak actually started. Now, next is you want to inspect inside for oversudsing or overfilling here. Now open the dishwasher and check for excessive suds or high water level. Now using a regular dish soap, too much detergent or the wrong detergent can overflow into the base, so you may want to check that. And also, the AE code is often caused by power trapped in the bottom pan. So you may want to double dry any water you can reach, then leave the dishwasher door open for several hours. So let the base dry out. And many people speed this up with a fan aimed at the bottom, so you may want to do that. But yeah, so next is you want to check the door gasket, spray arms, filter area, the hoses. A loose hose, cracked gasket, or a blocked spray arm can cause water to spill into the base tray and trigger AE. And once the base is fully dry and any leaks have been addressed, restore power and run a short cycle here. Now, if the machine stays running without AE again, then the issue is quite resolved here. Now, if you can't solve this yourself and you're not sure how to replace like any cracked gaskets, loose hose, well, I would highly recommend you to contact LG here and see what they can actually do for you, or even arrange for a technician to visit your place here or your house in order for you to get this fixed. But that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.